What are the two biggest problems in the human hair market? This is a very, very important topic that I'd like to discuss with you guys. So in my research, after all the research that I have done for human hair and discovering what's the problem, what do people want, what is that deep thing that clients are looking for? And these are the two problems that I have noticed in hair. It's either you buy poor quality human hair or you don't know how to care for the hair. Those are the only two biggest problems in the human hair market as to why human hair will not last for a long time or last for a lifetime. I see people buying human hair yearly and I'm just like, why are you buying yearly? If it's actually virgin, authentic human hair, would you be buying your hair over again yearly? No, I don't think so. So this is something that's supposed to last you for a lifetime. It's something that you can pass on to the next generation, and it's something that's supposed to be of high quality. And most people, most African women, you know how Africans are, they have so much pride. They'll be like, you know what? Me, I know so much about hair. What? I know how hair works. You can't tell me what to do with hair. You don't know anything, all that stuff. But in actual fact, I noticed that many people really don't know what high quality human hair, what to expect. They look for the wrong expectations, expecting the wrong things when it comes to virgin human hair. Also the fact that some women may actually buy high quality, good quality human hair. It's possible, but they don't know how to care for the hair. I mean, how can you not know how to care for your hair if you can't look after your own natural hair? You know what I mean? So it's that kind of vibe. So with Wanajoy Luxe, we have there's going to be a video brochure included. We will be showing you some hair tutorials, how to care for the hair, how to look after the hair, giving you information about where the hair comes from. I'm actually going to be traveling to India this year to actually show you guys the culture and how the hair was made and the process for getting this high quality hair. I want to be as authentic as I can with you guys and open to you guys as much as I can.